Unlock the secret of lasting beauty. Makeup Setting Spray explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English and unlock the secrets behind everyday phrases. Today, we're exploring a term that's essential for anyone interested in beauty and makeup. Makeup Setting Spray. Whether you're a language learner or a makeup enthusiast, understanding this concept is key to mastering both English and your makeup routine. Let's get started. Makeup Setting Spray is a cosmetic product designed to preserve the application of makeup on the face. Think of it as a final touch to your makeup routine, acting much like a protective top coat does for a manicure. It comes in a liquid form, usually in a spray bottle, allowing for easy application over your entire face. This spray works by creating a light, protective layer over your makeup, helping to prevent smudging, fading, or settling into fine lines throughout the day. You might wonder why this step is necessary. Makeup Setting Spray offers several benefits. Enhances durability. It helps your makeup last longer, perfect for long events or hot days. Prevents smudging. Reduces the chances of makeup smudging, ensuring you look as fresh in the evening as you did in the morning. Hydrates and refreshes. Some setting sprays contain ingredients that hydrate the skin, providing a refreshing boost. Using Makeup Setting Spray is straightforward, but there are some tips to maximize its benefits. 1. Shake the bottle well before use to mix the ingredients properly. 2. Hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from your face. 3. Close your eyes and mouth, and spray evenly in an X and T formation to cover all areas. 4. Allow it to dry naturally. Do not touch your face immediately after application. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and benefits of Makeup Setting Spray in your beauty regimen. Not only does it lock in your makeup for extended wear, but it also offers hydrating properties for your skin. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, beauty isn't just about the products we use. It's also about expressing ourselves and learning along the way. Happy learning, and stay beautiful.